Dankjewel.
Heeft u misschien nog uw geboortedag en maand voor ons als afleverbewijs?
En? Exciting stuff. I was online yesterday because I need a few bits and pieces, and I'm not really an online shopper. I'd really rather go to a shop and try things out, but sometimes it's just not possible. It's either the distance to where the stores are, or like at the moment, the weather, and they don't always have exactly what you want. So I did go online. Not my thing, but I did my best. Now, many years ago, I bought this power pack. Wonderful thing. X-Torm. Great brand, but the good part about it is it had the cable, the charging cable, built in. But of course, I bought this quite some time ago, and the capacity is not enough now for my new phone. So when I do want to recharge my phone, it just zaps this empty and I don't have a full phone. So that's really annoying. And because we're planning, yes, we're planning a 5-week road trip. That'll be a bit further on, but you know, we're getting there. So I needed some things. And one of them was to replace the power pack. So I've got my parcel from Cool Blue, and I'm going to open it now and see what's inside, because this is obviously more than just a power pack. Okay, so here goes. So seeing how they delivered it, Cool Blue have depots all around the place, and then they try on the most economical but also environmentally friendly to deliver their parcels. So they have those wonderful bikes. So here goes. Oh yes, I'm not going to show you straight away. My power pack. It's a bit bigger than the other one. So, alright, let's open up. Oh, opened up like that. Oh, it is a bit bigger. Ooh, look at that. Okay, well, obviously, if you're going to do something, then do it well. That won't fit in my back pocket, will it? Come on, because I never thought to look for this. Whoops. I never thought to look the size of the power pack, just the size of the capacity. I've peeled off this plasticky bit. Just imagine I've got 30 days and I can send it back if I'm not happy. I don't want to wreck the package. There we go. There it is. Same brand, same lovely soft. Well, you know, I've had this for so long. Now this here, it's a wee bit dark, or that's just, well, your hands, I suppose. But for the rest of it, if I was to give this a bit of a wipe up with a cloth, it would still look brand new. And that's one of the reasons why I really liked to get this one, the same one. Oh, and there you are. Ooh, slimline. Ooh, see, they have, look at that. Very nice. Okay. I quite like too that it's just a nice grey, soft grey colour. Oh, very good. Oh, that's different. Okay. The changes. Yeah, this is very flexible. I like that. This is, well, I suppose it's flexible as well, but different. Boing. So that's your charge. Okay. Oops. Charge. Oh, obviously both in the old one. Charge in and charge out. Very good. I'm happy. Switch. I don't know how much. There is some in there. Power. Input, output. That's output. That's input, quick charge. Ooh. Oh well, here we go. I'm happy. Well, they've also positioned it differently now. It sort of slots in, so it's not actually slimline, which I thought. Oh, it's a wee bit smaller. Oh, that's cool. Right, that's number one. So, happy day. I can, I'll still keep that one as standby. It's always handy. Okay. Haha, but what else did I buy? So, if you want to know what else I bought, well, you'll just have to keep watching. Might pay to subscribe as well, because then at least you know you won't miss the next video. Bye for now. Oma Faraway, signing off.